get on our Discord, you're free to scan that.
Oh, heck yeah.
That way you can see our announcements of what store we're going to be at each Sunday.
Oh, this is the kind of game I've always wanted to play. How does this work?
Over here.
Okay, cool.
Any war gaming?
Outside of a PC, no.
Outside of PC, what PC?
Like Command and Conquer, any type of RTS, like Civilization, that kind of thing.
Now this is a war game.
Okay.
You're sure you're 140K.
Okay.
This is more. This is a Warlords Boltaction. This is World War II historical war game.
All right. How does it work?
First, you start out with these. This is called Ore Dice.
Okay.
You and your opponent will have two separate colors. They go into a bag. You draw them out. That's how you decide who goes.
Okay.
Once you draw your dice, you sign in an order. One's on this dice. That's next unit. You perform that order.
Okay.
Right now, Justin, what are you doing right now? Right now, he's giving you take over there a fire order. He's shooting at my turn.
Oh, nice. And you guys roll to determine what hits and how much damage?
On a 4, then you start calculating modifiers.
Okay.
So he's not making me roll, so I'm assuming he missed.
I see.
Oh, no, he hit. So he just hit me.
Okay.
So what's your penetration?
Now we're looking at the student. Any of the student cards.
He's penetration 6. That takes armor 9. He's going to hit me in my front.
Yeah.
So you're going to take his penetration and my armor, do the difference. It's going to be up to a 3. He needs a 3 or better to damage that tank.
I see. Oh, that's complicated.
No, he didn't. You rolled 1. You rolled a 1. He hit it, but he did not penetrate.
Oh, wow. That is
No,
awesome.
he hit me though. I take a suppression pin.
Okay.
Those can stack.
Okay. And how do you move these units? Do you determine that you're going to use, like, it has how many?
They have a movement fit. They each have a movement identifier.
Okay. Very cool. So is it your turn now?
No, you do one of his guys.
Okay.
That's one of the highlights of this game. You never know who's going next.
Really?
Someone drawing to the bag's empty, and you take up all the war dice and start again. Usually about 6 turns a game.
Oh, wow. I would think this would go infinitely, so it's got a short cycle.
I mean, you can if you're not playing competitively. You go.
But competitively, it's only a six turn cycle? Very cool.
So, so 6 times the empty out the dice bag, putting it back in. Usually there's objectives. This is a demo game we're doing, so it's just going to be teams, things.
Are you going to be here all weekend?
Yes, we will.
Yes, I want to try this. Do you ever... on the Deep, I live by the Deep, and upstairs they do stuff like this.
We do the Deep every other Sunday.
Yeah.
We're there every other Sunday.
Very cool. You're right by me.
And then we do high ground every Sunday.
Okay. Very cool. I'm Brandon.
John.
Nice to meet you, John. Thank you for the excellent explanation.
It's very easy to pick up what you start doing.
Pretty accurate as far as history is concerned. Like you can even
Justin, what are you shooting at?
see that the SS over there actually have the swastikas painted on the wicked side. So, it's pretty accurate as far as that part is concerned. But then it gets into this other stuff.
All right, John, I got to get back to my daughters, but I'll be back when I'm solo.
If you want a Jeep, feel free to pick a Jeep.
Really?
Yeah.
All right.
I have a full box of them. The guy is not moving.
This Jeep will bring me back to you, John. Thanks, bro.
To get on our Discord, you're free to scan that.
Oh, heck yeah.
That way you can see our announcements of what store we're going to be at each Sunday.